To use Apple Buy Now Pay Later, you need to have a compatible device and be running the latest version of iOS. The service is available for purchases made through the Apple Online Store, Apple Store app, or at physical Apple Store locations. First, ensure you are eligible for Apple Buy Now Pay Later by checking your credit score and history. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid U.S. address, and a compatible Apple device. To apply for Apple Buy Now Pay Later, go to the Apple website or open the Apple Store app on your device. Select the item you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. When prompted, choose the Buy Now Pay Later option as your payment method. You will be asked to verify your identity and provide some basic information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive an instant decision on your credit limit. If approved, you can complete your purchase and select a payment plan that works for you. Apple offers a 4-month payment plan with no interest or fees, as long as you pay the full amount within the promotional period. After your purchase, you can access your Apple Buy Now Pay Later account through the Wallet app on your device. Here, you can view your payment schedule, track your remaining balance, and make payments. You can also use the Wallet app to manage your account settings and update your payment information. To make a payment, open the Wallet app and select the Buy Now Pay Later card. Choose the payment amount and confirm the transaction. You can pay the full amount, the minimum payment due, or any amount in between. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees and interest charges. Apple will send you reminders and notifications when a payment is due. And you can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and using Apple Buy Now Pay Later responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of flexible payment plans and take your new Apple device home today. Always review the terms and conditions of the service before applying, and make sure you understand the repayment terms and any potential fees or charges.